If you need a second account on Windows 11 and you do not want to use a Microsoft account, this guide shows you exactly how to do it. No email required, no sign-in, just a clean local account in under 3 minutes. Open the Start menu. Click the Settings icon or press Windows key and I at the same time. Settings is now open. On the left panel, click Accounts. Now click Other Users. You can see the Account Management section. Under Other Users, click Add Account. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. Do not enter an email. Click the link that says I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, click Add a user without a Microsoft account. A local account form will now appear. Enter a username for the new account. Add a password if you want one. It is optional. Answer the 3 security questions below. Click Next. And it's done. The local account is created instantly. You now have a fully working local user account on Windows 11. No Microsoft account needed. To switch users, open the Start menu, click the profile icon in the bottom left, and select the new account. That is it.